Hi guys, Dan from FBS. Today we're going to talk about these FBS ProMaskers. They are a pre-taped, pre-folded masker that is ideal for underskirts, door jams, pre-masking, back masking, any of those kind of things that you want to do. Very handy, very useful tool. Basically, what's the painter's biggest nemesis is their actual masking machine. Tape goes this way, paper goes that way. Our job is to limit that and be able to get the job started quickly and efficiently. And we're going to show you how to do All of our MSOs love this tool simply because it's always that factor, time versus money. Pre-taped, pre-folded, ready to go. That's the most simple way for us to save and make money at the same time. Basically, all of our lot repair guys, if you're doing any spot jobs, bumper blends, any tail light or headlight polishing, any of those things, you need to do mask jobs, quick mask jobs, it's the ultimate one-stop tool for all of those guys. These maskers come in two sizes. They come in a 7-inch unfolded and they also come in a 12-inch unfolded. The convenient part about them is they come ready to use, fully packaged as an individual sale, so people can buy them if they're lot guys that are doing spot blends or anything like that. The other benefit with these is they also come with just the refill rolls. You can buy that as a separate part number. If your guy has already the dispenser on hand, he may just need your refill rolls. However, this is the most convenient out the box, ready to use tool. Very easily conformable, sticks well, and of course, helps you get the job masked up.